Alright, well, taking a quick video with my phone instead of my big camera because it's easier than dragging the tripod up here, but I'm going to stick the little M19 on the shelf next to the EM1 and the rest of the ETs. And I will have to deal with it later because my workspace is filled with sewing machine from the Kenmore project. So as soon as I get the Kenmore straightened out and sewing properly and in its case and put away, or more accurately sent on its way, I will be able to get back to the M19, was it EM2 or 3 or whatever they call it. I'll have to look up which the EM model they use for this is. I'm sure it'll work eventually. It was firing. It needs help with basic adjustments like all the engines did, so shouldn't be a big deal. And I'm certain we'll get it working, but I don't have room to deal with it right now, so it's going on the shelf for a little bit.